Hi, welcome to Southside Dental. Let's talk about dental implants. So, what exactly is a dental implant? Think of it as a super strong titanium root that's surgically placed into your jawbone. It serves as a sturdy foundation for a replacement tooth or replacement screw. Now, let's talk advantages. Dental implants look, feel, and function just like natural teeth. Plus, they can last a long time with proper care. No more worries about slipping dentures or damaging neighboring teeth, like with traditional bridges. But there are times when implants may not be the best option, like if you have severe gum disease or certain medical conditions. That's why it's crucial to consult with your dentist to determine the best treatment plan for you. During the surgical phase, the implant is placed into the jawbone under local anesthesia. Then, over a few months, the implant fuses with bone, a process called osseointegration. Then, in 3 to 4 months, a custom-made crown is inserted. Smile accomplished. And voila, you're ready to rock your new smile with confidence. Thanks for tuning in to our guide on dental implants. Remember, a healthy smile is always in style.
Reimagined.